Hello everyone. This is the Fengyang Domestic Waste Landfill site in Chuzhou City. The landfill has now been closed. The area behind me is the landfill mound. Our main current task is to treat the leachate from this mound. This is our MVR evaporator. It has a daily treatment capacity of 30 cubic meters. This is our nanofiltration equipment. This is our reverse osmosis equipment. This is the COD detector. These are the test results of the water samples we collected. The site currently uses standard table 2. This is the ammonia nitrogen detector for sample testing. This is our drainage point. Now I'll take a cup of our terminal discharge water. This is the terminal discharge water. The water quality is clear and transparent. Now let's compare it with the raw water from our regulating tank.